भारतीय रिपब्लिक डे और अब मैं मेरा भारत महान कहकर झूठा दिखावा तो नहीं ही करूंगी। फर्स्ट सी द रियलिटी। Once MLA Ramesh Kumar said in the parliament, not even on the streets, he said in the parliament, the audacity, he said in the parliament that
Lie down and enjoy.
to run a whole district, to take care of a whole district, the student is supposed to give one of the toughest examinations, that is UPSC. Then he becomes an IAS, then he becomes eligible to take care of a whole district. Whereas the person running the whole country, taking care of the whole country, is himself an uneducated chaiwala. Education budget of India is 1.28 lakh crore rupees, whereas the condition of government schools in India is terrible. You want good healthcare? Go to expensive private hospitals. You want clean, pure air? Go get an air purifier. You want clean water? Go get a water purifier. You want good education? Go to expensive private schools. But don't ever have the audacity to raise your voice against the government or question government. Otherwise, be ready to be labeled as anti-national. PM Narendra Modi is the first ever prime minister whose own party members are not safe for women. Women are not safe from his own party members. Rapists are out of jails and activists are in the jails. People protesting for anything are getting beaten up. Earlier dollar was 60 rupees, now it is 90 rupees. The ranks of India in various factors. Listen, in healthcare 65th rank, education 90th rank, law and order 79th rank, per capita income 124, press freedom 151, hunger index 102, gender equality 108, environmental performance 176, and we call ourselves fourth largest economy, world's fastest growing economy. But at what cost? Here we pay tax on the money we earn as well as on the money we spend. We pay tax on the things we buy as well as on the things we sell. We pay tax on the things that are already taxed, bought with the money that's already. For these people, नॉर्थ ईस्ट की गाय इनके लिए माता नहीं है, उसे ये लोग नहीं पूछते. बाकी जगहों की गाय को ये लोग पूछते, लेकिन नॉर्थ ईस्ट काउस को ये लोग कट करके खा सकते. They don't worship cows from north east. एंड ये मैं खुद नहीं बोल रही, you can see over there. मतलब what kind of stupidity is this? अब जानवरों में भी जात बनाया जाएगा, रिलीजन बनाया जाएगा, so that they can distinguish them. इंसानों तक समझ में आता तो अब जानवरों में भी जात भेद, रिलीजन भेद होगा. वाह, what